welcome to my YouTube channel. So on this video, we're talking about web development and the tools or the programs you need to put together to be able to achieve web designs, or let's say to be able to be a web developer, right? So firstly, what is web development? Right, web development is the process of creating a website that people can access on the internet. Every website you visit, whether it's a blog or an online store or social media platform, has been built using web development techniques. So just think about it. Think about YouTube, think about Instagram, think about all those social media platforms that you love to use, right? How it's been done, how they achieve it. That is what we want to discuss, or that's what we want to practicalize in this particular playlist and on my YouTube channel. So first thing is this: the basic things that make up a web. You want to talk about the HTML, the CSS, the JS. So what is HTML? HTML stands for HyperText Markup Language. It's a code that's used to structure the content and layout of the web page. Basically, when you talk about, let's just put it in terms of, you're saying you want to build a house, right? HTML is basically the structure, the foundation, the block, all these kind of things that pile up together to build a house, right? When you talk about CSS, right, the full meaning of that is simply cascading style sheet, right? So now CSS is a computer language. Some people discuss this a lot and probably say HTML is a programming language, CSS is a programming language. No, all right. HTML is a markup language, not a programming language, right? And CSS is simply the computer language for laying out and structuring a web page, all right? This language contains code elements, right? When you talk about JS, JS stands for JavaScript. This one is particularly known as programming language, used in interactive web page. You understand? In terms of you want to interact with your web page, you click a button, the button refers you to a particular function, you want to log in. This helps you to achieve that. All right, that is a programming language. So now I want to discuss how does these HTML, CSS, and JavaScript work together, right? And like I said, HTML is structured to be the house, right? In terms of the walls, the doors, the windows, yeah, it provides the foundation of your website. All right, just provide the foundation, right? While CSS design and decorate. You want to paint it, you want to furnish it, you want to style your building to look nice. That is work of CSS. While JavaScript is a functionality. So these three things makes up the web, or makes up the website or your web page to look professional, to look standard, right? So these are the three things we'll be putting together to achieve our web page.